Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how you can create your own numero chart by using the Lo Shu Grid. You don't need to know your exact time of birth. All you need to know is date of birth. So hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani, and after watching this video today, you are going to learn the most talked about Lo Shu Grid. It's also known as magic square, 3x3 square, but it is the way to find out about your own chart, your own future. So are you ready? But you'll need few things for this. And yes, are you ready? I am ready with my list. Come on, don't worry. We are not going to go start cooking and get a whole list of ingredients. You just need few things. First, get a pen and paper handy, and the pen should be either red or green. Those are the lucky colors, and you're trying to find out your future. You should be all equipped. And second, bring a little bit of your confidence. Trust that. And invoke the blessings of your divine grace. You're trying to find out your future, aren't you? So let's do it. On the screen, you will see what exactly is Lo Shu Grid. It's, as I said, 3x3 magic square. It's called, so each square has a number. There is 8, there is 1, and there is 6 on the lower bottom. In the center is 3, 5, and 7, and the top is 4, 9, and 2. Now, each number represents an element. Each number represents an area of your life. So, and also a planet. 8 represents Saturn, represents hard work, finances, ambition. And again, who doesn't need that? And 1 represents your career, the planet Sun. It gives you confidence, the desire to go for it all in. And 6, oh yeah, Venus. The luxury, the comforts in life. You can't live without, right? We all need that. And also the support of divine and the mentors. And then comes number 3. This is all that money, the green, everyone is after. Finances, the support of your mentors, your creativity, parent support, all is this number 3. It speaks about that. Then it's number 5, the center, for you to be grounded, balanced, have the confidence, the clarity when you communicate. It is this that also talks about your business or job. Quite important number. Then it's 7. 7 talks about your spiritual growth. 7 talks about your siblings, the younger brothers or sisters, and which direction your life will take. And then is number 4. Number 4 is all about your system, the organizational skills and the routine, and also the wealth in your life. How much will you have? We'll talk it in a bit. And then you have 9, and this is the number everyone is after, the name of fame and glamour, and the number of compassion, the number of physical energy. Then it's number 2, the relationships, your marriage, your relationships, your connections, and to a certain extent the networking as well. Now on the screen you'll also see that each number, if you see the column 4, 3, and 8, this represents the thought plane. So these people are great thinkers, and they think in a systematic way. They do their things properly. They come up with great ideas and they go all in. And then second plane is the willpower. They have great determination. They go, they work through it, they make it happen. They won't just talk, they know how to get things done. And it is this attitude from numbers 9, 5, and 1 that they get amazing success. And next is 2, 7, and 6. This is action plane. These people believe in doing, not just talking about. You may be thinking by then these guys have already done their work. They make decisions. It's like Andrew Carnegie said, 60 seconds. You are an entrepreneur if you make the decision. These are the people. But they are short-tempered. Now, next, if you see the upper line, the vertical, you will see is 4, 9, and 2. This is, I would say, mental plane. They are very sharp. They have amazing intellect, intelligence, great mind, great thinkers, creative ideas, great writers, and innovative solutions and ideas come from them. And then second is the emotional side. 3, 5, and 7. They are creative people. They connect easily. They could wrap their heart in their words, and you will feel the pain. You know, they speak with the heart, and every heart listens. And it is this plane, 3, 5, and 7. And they are blessed with divine guidance as well, intuitive as well. And the last 8, 1 and 6, very lucky combination. If you have in your house numbers, phone numbers, wherever, money just starts pouring in. Well, these people are practical. They know how to manage the money, the finances. They are ambitious. They achieve success in their careers, and 6 is luxury. So all in one. They are practical. They are humble. They are grounded because they have all in. They don't like to show up, but they are successful. Now the other way is also, I call, if you have in your combinations 4, 5 and 6, this is a lucky combination. 4 gives you the organizational skills, the routine, the system in your life. You think through the great in planning, get things done. They are hard workers. Roll up the sleeves and I have to get this done. These are the people. And then 5, great communicators. You put them on the stage. Oh yeah, they just love the stage. Give them the mic. They'll forget food. And then 6, the luxury, the great perfection eye, the artistic mind. They want everything to look prim and proper. So amazing numbers. And then 8, 5 and 2, all earth numbers. If you have all 3, you can close your eyes, start a real estate business. And yes, don't forget to give me the credit for that. You heard from me. Well, this is a great combination. These people succeed a lot in real estate. Lucky numbers all in. So now I want you to take that pen and paper and quickly write down your date of birth on top. Do a little prayer. Invoke the blessing and write the number. If you have 1, write where it is 1. If you have 1 twice, write twice the 1. If you have 4, write 4. If you have 5, wherever you see the numbers as per the chart, write in there. This is your numeroscope. Now what do you do with it? As I just shared, let me quickly take an example. Let's say someone who's born on 14th May 1982. So in this case, 14 has 1, so write where is 1. 4, right where it is 4. 1982, you have 1 again. So this man has 1 twice. Put 1 again. Then 9, you have 8 and 2. Now 14, if you add 1 plus 4, also gives you 5. So in the center, you write 1 more 5. And since this person is born 14th May, May is the 5th month, so you already have 5. When you add 14, you get one more 5. So you add 5. And if you add the entire number, you get 3. It comes to 30, take away the 0, you get 3. Now you have 3. What does it mean? As I just shared, 8 gives you ambition, 1 is career, 6 is luxury, 3 is growth, the finances day to day and your mentors, and 5 is the balance, communication, business, and 7 is the spiritual connections and your siblings. So here you have 4 and 3. You have wealth. This person has amazing wealth. 3, never will be shortage of money, has supporters and support from parents as well. Creative person. And May, they have double 5. Great in communication, full of confidence, will thrive in business. 9 will achieve name and fame as well, and is full of energy as well. And 2, earth number, so relationships will be good as well in this person's life. And if you add it all, now you have 1, you have 9, you have 8 and 2 and 3 and 4. Amazing. Now if you have this element, you see suddenly, how would you predict for the life? That this person will be great in business, on the creative side, connect people very well, would have wealth in the life, will achieve name and fame, marriage relationships will be good, career will be good with managing finances. Which career it should go? In the end, you got 3 and they have 5. 5 is communication, business, and 3 is creativity. If you blend in any profession where you utilize your creativity and you communicate to the world, here you go, voila, you have a business, you have your profession. This is how you predict your future from Lo Shu Grid. I hope you enjoyed this, and in the next episode, I'm going to talk to you what you do when you know about the numbers you don't have. Like this person doesn't have 6 and 7. In the next video, I'm going to tell you what are the missing numbers, what is its impact, and amazing tips and solutions to make your life simpler. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and share this episode and click that bell icon so you get the notifications for my next episode. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and a comment here. If you didn't like it, let me know what you didn't like. Until next episode, take care.